Students, in this lecture, we are going to start with new chapter, oscillations. In this chapter, we are going to study the most fundamental type of harmonic motion, that is linear simple harmonic motion. तो start करते हैं from definition of motion. What do you mean by motion? Change in the position of object with respect to space and time is called as motion. There are different types of motion. Some types of motion you have seen in previous standard. Translational motion, circular motion, rotational motion, projectile motion and oscillatory motion. So these are different types of motion. Now in this chapter we are going to focus on oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is periodic motion. So let us understand first definition of periodic motion. There are number of examples of periodic motion. Motion of the earth around the sun, motion of the electron around the nucleus, motion of the hands of a clock, motion of the earth about its own axis, motion of bob of simple pendulum. So all these examples are of periodic motion. And the time period or time interval after which this motion is repeated is called as time period. For example, motion of minute hand of a clock. तो minute hand अपना जब motion complete करेगा तो हर बार 60 minutes होगा. After every 60 minutes उसकी position same रहेगी. तो here time period of minute hand of a clock is 60 minutes. Now remember one point, uniform circular motion, uniform rotational motion, simple harmonic motion can be periodic motion. Now simple harmonic motion is the simplest kind of oscillatory motion. So let us see definition of oscillatory motion first. When a particle moves repeatedly to and fro about its mean position along a certain fixed path, then this motion is called oscillatory motion. Now there are number of examples of oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. Motion of a needle of a sewing machine, motion of a pendulum in a clock, motion of a body suspended from the spring, motion of the prongs of a vibrating tuning fork. So this is simple pendulum. When it is pulled on one side and released, so it will perform to and fro motion about its mean position. Now this is its mean position. When the resultant forces acting on it are zero, so it is stable, it is at rest position. So this position is called mean position. जब हम लोग इसको यहाँ पे pull करेंगे and it is released, तो it will perform to and fro motion about its mean position. ये positive extreme position रहेगा, this is negative extreme position, and it repeats same set of movements again and again. One such a set of movement is called as one oscillation, and the time taken to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Now here it is to be noted that every oscillatory motion is periodic, but every periodic motion is not oscillatory motion. जैसे कि हम लोग एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं कि the motion of the earth round the sun is periodic, but it is not oscillatory motion. तो motion of the earth round the sun क्या रहता है? It is example of circular motion, uniform circular motion. And the motion of pendulum of a clock is oscillatory motion, and it is also periodic motion. The simplest type of oscillatory motion is simple harmonic motion. Now in this type of oscillatory motion, displacement, velocity and acceleration of a particle changes with respect to time and can be expressed in terms of sine and cosine functions. And we know that these functions are harmonic functions, and this is why an oscillatory motion is called a harmonic motion. अभी sine and cosine function harmonic function say that we know because values of sine theta and cos theta varies between -1 to 1. एंगल इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, बट साइन थीटा या कॉस थीटा का वैल्यू -1 से कम नहीं रहेगा और 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा. तो सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन कैन बी expressed in terms of sine and cosine function, and of course in next lectures we are going to see. Now simple harmonic motion can be classified on the basis of the path described by the body, and hence there are two types of simple harmonic motion. First one linear SHM and second angular SHM. If the path is a straight line, then that type of motion is called linear simple harmonic motion. On the other hand, if the path is curved, then it is called angular SHM. In next lecture, we will see more details about linear SHM.